In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the graphic settings here in our graders. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can up yet further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. While we're doing this, I'm also going to be going over the best graphic settings if you want good FPS and low input delay, so stay tuned for that. But if you want to check this, go ahead and open up your settings and then go specifically over to the graphics tab, which is going to be that third tab up in the top. For the best input delay, you're going to want to use exclusive full screen. Even though it is not recommended, it actually gives you way better input delay compared to borderless. I'm just using borderless because I'm on two monitors right now and I'm recording on the other one. But if you have a weaker PC or your FPS isn't great, you can actually go down to this NVIDIA low latency section here and go ahead and turn this on. And for NVIDIA DLSS frame generation, you're going to want to go ahead and turn it on as well. This is going to boost your FPS, but it may add a little bit of input delay, so try it out and see how it feels. Then always, make sure you do have low latency turned on too. You could set this to either on or on plus boost at minimum. Just keep it on just because it's going to reduce input lag a lot, especially with DLSS on. From here, you're going to want to make sure VSync is disabled. VSync feels terrible and adds a bunch of delay, and your frame limit should match your monitor's refresh rate. For example, if your monitor is 240 Hz, go ahead and set this to 240, just like so. For resolution, go ahead and keep it at 1920 by 1080 unless you do prefer higher. And then scroll down and you can actually adjust your field of view here as well. If you do want max FPS, I recommend turning off ray tracing, which is going to be right here. If you do want the game to look as good as possible and your PC can handle it, go ahead and just keep it on epic like I do right now. But for pure performance, turning it off is best. Below that, you're going to see all the usual graphic settings though. Shadows, textures, effects, these can be turned down to medium or low if you want higher FPS. These settings do make a big difference on weaker PCs. And you can also enable the performance overlay here as well to track your FPS in game. It's also going to show you detailed versions like frame time and GPU usage. And finally, I recommend just turning off the idle energy savings and the inactive window energy saving to squeeze out a little bit of extra FPS. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.